Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on the graph and the GRT token. Wanted to make an update on that. I follow GRT very closely. I analyze it every single day. I think it's a great project and it's been very volatile over the last couple of days. So I just wanted to give you my view, my thoughts on it for today. We'll take a look at the technicals. We'll mainly take a look at the technicals, but we'll also talk about the fundamentals. We have to, I think. So let's start off with that. But before we do so, I do want to say that if you want to receive daily trading signals, such as a buy order from this level, which we took in the signal group, it's already some time ago, but we did, then check out the links in either the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join. But all right, to talk about GRT. What you can see right now, purely, I mean, Wednesday we did not even give that up, but Wednesday we got a lot of bearish momentum, but in the end we still managed to hold our main support level, which is around 14 cents. So in my eyes, what we kind of have is we have this support level around 14 cents, and then there still is some sort of a bearish momentum pushing us down, as you can see. All right, so technically it actually looks like we're more bearish than bullish. If you take a look at it like this, there are multiple ways to take a look at it. I mean, you can also do something like this, and you'd say that we are very bullish, and I would agree with that as well, because fundamentally the market right now is doing good. Bitcoin is trying to break above 26,000. The graph has had more bullish momentum than bearish momentum in the last week. And apart from that, the whole AI narrative is also picking up speed a little bit again. So even though I think this is a little bit of a flawed way of looking at it, I wouldn't even take this trend line, for example. But altogether, that does leave us with that we're in this kind of area between 14 cents as a support and 16 cents around that area as a resistance. That's just the situation now. We're in that level, and at some point we're obviously going to get a breakout. And I would say because of those fundamentals, it's more likely that at some point, and that's also what I think the most likely scenario is. I think at some point we're going to be able to break above 16 cents and at least get up to our next resistance around 17.5 cents. That's our next resistance. It's a strong technical resistance. It's a psychological resistance as well. So that's overall what I expect, but you should know, and most of you know that, but you should remind yourself of the fact that the market right now is very volatile. There's a lot of news coming out that could and that will influence the market. So even though I think it's the most likely scenario that right now GRT, for example, drops down one more time towards that 14 cents level, and then from there starts to challenge 16 cents and at some point break above that. Even though I think that's the most likely scenario, market circumstances could very well change that. But right now, I mean, if we are being realistic, Bitcoin is strong. I mean, we could take a quick look at Bitcoin. I think if we do it like this, Bitcoin is strong. It seems to have broken above the 1.618 fib, and therefore that it will go up to 27,000. Purely technically, that seems to be the case. But a real fundamental reason for why we are this bullish kind of lacks. So that's also why GRT is not reacting to it that much yet. But that could be a risk, right? That if there's no real reason for why we are bullish right now, why wouldn't we drop down then at the end of the day? And then GRT, as I said, could drop down quite a bit as well. I don't think we will break through 14 cents as a support if there's no very bad news, but still, just to make you think about it. But all right, this is according to current market circumstances the most likely scenario, I think. But apart from that, I'll keep you updated on that. So thank you for watching today. I hope you have a great day. Take care and bye.